Welcome back once again to your English conversation online class. We have already completed chapter number 8, that was making request, and today I am going to teach you another chapter, that is chapter number 9. The name of the chapter is describing what you have. Now first let's understand the meaning of describing. What do you mean by describing? Describing means to say what somebody or something is like. So suppose you have something with you and you want to say about that thing. So how are you going to say that? How will you describe the object that you have? We will study that in this chapter. Now students, let's see how we can describe things. To describe what you have, use I or we plus have plus the adjective and plus noun. Now I told you what are nouns? Naming words are nouns. Any object that you can give a name to is a noun. And what are adjectives? Any word that describes a noun is an adjective. So, to describe what you have, you can use I or we plus have plus the adjective and then noun. For example, see these examples. First one, we have very good teachers. So, in this example, you can see that we have described the noun teachers. And what adjective did we use to describe teachers? We used the adjective very good. So this is the correct way, and in the beginning we use we plus have. Now children, remember, when do we use have or has? We use have with pronouns we and I, and also with plural nouns. And we use has only with singular nouns. See the second example. I have a blue and red bicycle. Now in this sentence, you can see that we have described the noun bicycle. And what adjective did we use? We used blue and red adjectives to describe bicycle. So we used I plus have. I told you with the pronoun I, we use have. So I have a blue and red bicycle. Third sentence. He has a set of expensive pens. Now in this sentence, we are describing the noun pens. And what adjective did we use to describe the noun? We use the adjective expensive to describe the noun pens. And you can see here we have used has and not have. Why? Because I told you with singular nouns and he, she, it, we use has. Okay? So it becomes he has a set of expensive pens. Listen and learn. Listen to bragging ant and dragonfly and see how they describe what they have. Children, what is the meaning of bragging? Bragging means to talk too proudly about something. Now let's see this conversation between ant and dragonfly. Now this is an ant. Oh, poor you! You can only move your tail. Look at me. I have 6 legs which can take me anywhere. I can climb trees, rocks and bushes. But you are stuck on this tree, unable to move. Now here the ant, you can see the ant is describing her itself. The ant says that I have 6 legs. So ant is describing its legs. And what is used to describe legs? I plus have plus the adjective 6. Who are you? Remember, you made fun of me yesterday. Now look, I have these beautiful wings. I have 6 legs like you. I can walk, I can fly in the air and go places in a jiffy. Can you fly, proud little ant? Now here, dragonfly is replying to the ant. What is it saying? It's saying that I have these beautiful wings and I also have 6 legs like yours. So, to describe itself, the dragonfly has also used the I plus have plus the adjective beautiful and the noun wings. Similarly here, I plus have plus the adjective 6 plus the noun legs. Look, I have these lovely transparent wings. I have such a slender body. I can buzz and fly. I am beautiful. Now here it is describing its wings by using the adjectives lovely and transparent. I have a nice orange body too. Now again, this one is describing its body by using the adjective nice and orange. And you can see that with the pronoun I, we always use have and not has. I look pretty underwater, but not as delicate and pretty as me. Hey fish, come and look at me. I have the prettiest reflection in the whole world. Now here again, the dragonfly is describing its reflection by saying I plus have plus the adjective prettiest. Stop admiring your reflection and fly away, silly dragonfly. You are jealous, plain jealous. Ouch. Now here this frog is describing this dragonfly by using the word jealous. So children, these are some of the ways in which you can describe things.